Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the beginning of a powerful and transformative journey. You're here because you're ready for change, ready to embark on a quest towards a healthier and stronger version of yourself. You're here for the 30-day fitness challenge. This challenge is a beacon, a guiding light designed specifically for those of you who are just starting out on your fitness journey. You don't need to be an athlete or a gym rat to start. In fact, you don't need any prior experience at all. All you need is the will to take that first step and the commitment to keep moving forward. Over the next 4 weeks, we'll be traveling together on a path that will gradually increase in intensity. But don't let that word scare you. This isn't about pushing your body to its breaking point or striving for perfection. It's about progress, not perfection. It's about small, consistent steps towards achieving your goals. Each week will bring a new set of challenges, exercises that will engage different muscle groups, and routines designed to improve your stamina, strength, and flexibility. But these exercises won't be just about the physical. They'll also challenge you mentally, pushing you to break through barriers and conquer obstacles you never thought you could. So you might be asking, what's the secret to completing this challenge? Well, it's simple: consistency. It's not about how intense your workout is or how much you sweat. It's about showing up every single day. Even when you're tired, even when you don't feel like it, even when everything inside you is telling you to quit. That's where the magic happens. And remember, this journey is yours and yours alone. So don't compare yourself to others. Don't beat yourself up if you stumble along the way. Instead, celebrate every step you take, every milestone you reach. Because each step, no matter how small, is a victory. The key to success in this challenge is consistency, not intensity. It's about showing up every day, not pushing yourself to the limit. In the first week, your body will adapt to the new routine. Keep it simple and manageable. This is the mantra for our initial 7 days as we embark on this journey. It's all about baby steps, gradually introducing our bodies to new movements and routines. Let's break down the daily activities for our first week, starting with some light cardio exercises. To kick things off, we're going to incorporate daily walks into our routine. Nothing too strenuous. Just a brisk 20 to 30-minute stroll around your neighborhood. This will get your heart rate up and your muscles warmed up. If walking feels too easy, feel free to substitute it with a gentle jog. Remember, the goal is not to exhaust yourself, but to gently introduce your body to regular physical activity. Next, we'll move on to some basic strength training exercises to start building our muscle strength. Squats and push-ups are our go-to exercises for the first week. They are simple yet effective exercises that target multiple muscle groups at once. Start with a set of 10 squats, ensuring you maintain proper form. Then switch over to push-ups, again starting with a set of 10. If 10 seems too much, don't worry. Start with as many as you can do comfortably and gradually increase the count as your strength improves. Don't forget to take short breaks in between sets to catch your breath, and always remember to keep yourself hydrated. Water is your best friend during this journey. In addition to these exercises, make sure to stretch your muscles before and after your workout sessions. This will help prevent muscle soreness and increase your flexibility. Remember, the first week is all about setting a rhythm and getting into the groove of things. It's not about how much you can do, but rather about doing it consistently. By the end of the first week, you'll start feeling stronger and more energetic. You'll notice a change in your stamina and overall physical strength. That's the beauty of your body adapting and embracing the new routine. Congratulations on completing the first week of your fitness challenge. Here's to the journey ahead. Now that your body is accustomed to the new routine, it's time to raise the bar a little. As we step into the second week of our 30-day fitness challenge, we are going to introduce some more challenging exercises into our routine. Remember, the key to success in any fitness journey is to consistently push our boundaries while also listening to our bodies and respecting our limits. We'll start off by incorporating lunges into our daily routine. Lunges are a fantastic way to work your lower body, particularly the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. They also help improve your balance and coordination. If you've never done a lunge before, don't worry. The idea here is not to perfect the form right away, but to get your body used to the movement. Next, we're going to introduce planks. Planks are a staple in any fitness regimen because they work your entire body, focusing primarily on your core. They also help improve your posture and stability. Again, don't stress if you can't hold a plank for long in the beginning. The aim is to gradually increase the duration as your strength improves. Finally, we're adding jumping jacks to the mix. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart rate up and improve your cardiovascular fitness. They also engage various muscle groups, including your legs, core, and arms. The key is to maintain a steady pace and keep moving, even if you have to slow down. This week might feel a bit more challenging as we introduce these exercises, but remember, the purpose of this challenge is not to be perfect, but to make progress. So, even if you find these exercises tough, don't get disheartened. Keep going, keep pushing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. And remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier and fitter you. So, embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and celebrate your progress. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Even if you can't do the exercises perfectly, keep going. Congratulations, you've made it to the halfway point. Now, let's take it up a notch. Week 3 is upon us, and it's time to shake things up. We're not just stepping out of our comfort zone, we're leaping out of it. We're venturing into more intense exercises, designed to push your limits and test your endurance. First on our list are burpees. Yes, you heard that right. They might sound intimidating, but trust me, they're a full-body workout in one move. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, then jump back up to standing. Repeat this for a minute, and you'll feel your heart rate skyrocket. Next, we have mountain climbers, an excellent exercise for building cardio endurance, core strength, and agility. You start in a plank position and alternate bringing your knees to your chest, as if you're climbing a mountain. This exercise targets several muscles, including your abs, hips, and legs. And now, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short. These workouts are all about pushing your body to the max for short periods, followed by brief periods of rest. The beauty of HIIT is that it boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even after your workout is over. For this week, aim for 20 to 30 minutes of HIIT workouts 3 times a week. You can mix and match your exercises, alternating between burpees, mountain climbers, and other exercises like jumping jacks or push-ups. The key here is to keep your body guessing. Don't let it get too comfortable. By constantly changing your routine, you're challenging your muscles in new ways and boosting your overall fitness level. Remember, this is a challenge, not a race. Listen to your body. If something feels too hard, take it easy or modify the exercise. Your safety and well-being are paramount. You're stronger than you think. Keep pushing and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. You're in the home stretch now. Let's finish strong. As we enter the final week of our 30-day fitness challenge, it's time to take it up a notch. Week 4 is all about pushing your limits and refining the strength and endurance you've built over the past 3 weeks. You've come a long way, but your journey isn't over yet. This week, we're introducing some advanced exercises into the mix. First up, we have pistol squats. This one-legged squat is a test of balance, flexibility, and strength. It targets your lower body, engaging your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Remember, it's not about speed, but precision and control. Next, we're adding Spider-Man push-ups to your routine. This exercise works your chest, shoulders, and arms, while also targeting your core. It's a push-up with a twist, quite literally. As you lower your body, bring your knee towards your elbow on the same side. It's like you're climbing a wall, just like our friendly neighborhood superhero. Finally, we're incorporating high-intensity interval training, or HIIT workouts, into your daily routine. These workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. They're designed to get your heart rate up and burn more fat in less time. You'll be sweating and panting, but remember, it's a sign that you're getting stronger. Throughout this week, we're also reducing your rest periods. This will keep your heart rate elevated and help you burn more calories. It's going to be challenging, but remember, it's only temporary. Push through the discomfort. You're stronger than you think. And as you navigate through this final stretch, don't forget to listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, take a step back. It's okay to modify the exercises to suit your level. What matters is that you're moving, you're improving, and you're not giving up. You're almost there. Stay focused, and remember why you started this journey. You've got this, and we're cheering you on every step of the way. The 30-day challenge is just the beginning. Fitness is a lifestyle, not a destination. So you've come this far and you're wondering, what's next? Well, here are some tips to help you maintain the momentum and continue on this journey towards a healthier, fitter you. Firstly, keep setting new fitness goals. Whether it's running a mile without stopping, doing 100 push-ups, or mastering the perfect yoga pose, setting goals keeps you motivated. Remember, these goals are personal to you. They don't have to be grandiose or impressive to anyone else. What matters is that they challenge you and give you something to strive for. Secondly, don't be afraid to mix things up. Try different workouts to keep things exciting. Maybe you've been focusing on cardio for the past 30 days, so how about adding some strength training? Or perhaps you've been hitting the weights hard, so why not try some yoga or Pilates? Different workouts target different muscle groups and aspects of fitness, so diversifying your routine can help you become a more well-rounded athlete. Thirdly, consistency is key. It's better to work out for 20 minutes a day, every day, than to go all out for 2 hours once a week. Regular exercise not only helps you maintain your fitness level, but it also becomes a part of your routine, a habit. And once something becomes a habit, it's easier to stick with it. Lastly, remember why you started this journey in the first place. Maybe you wanted to feel better in your own skin, or perhaps you wanted to improve your health. Whatever your reason, hold on to it. Let it be your motivator when things get tough. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, successes and setbacks, but with each step you take, you're investing in yourself, in your health, and in your future. Your fitness journey doesn't end after 30 days, it's a lifelong commitment to yourself. And remember, you've got this. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. Let's do a quick recap of our 30-day fitness challenge. We started with a warm-up, just to get the blood flowing and wake up those muscles. Then we gradually raised the bar, pushing our limits and challenging our bodies in new ways. At the halfway point, we checked in on our progress and celebrated our victories, no matter how small. Then we dug deep and pushed through to the final stretch. And now, we're here, focusing on maintaining the momentum. Remember, the most important thing is to stay consistent. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Enjoy the process, and the results will follow. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video. Your fitness journey could inspire someone else to start theirs. Remember, it's never too late to start. So, what are you waiting for?